Give you guys a little quick overview of the truly wireless backup camera kit and how easy it is to basically set up and install. Right here I have an example. I have the screen that comes with the kit just attached to my portable battery here, just so I can show you guys how easy it is. You can see right here the camera comes with the solar panel, so it's already self-powered by the sun. So all you really have to do is take this, install it on the back of your car, van, trailer, whatever it is. Install this into your cigarette lighter where you're going to be driving. And as soon as you turn this on, the camera knows, connects to the screen wirelessly, and you're good to go. And I'll show you a little example right now. I'm going to go take this outside to give you kind of an example of how far it actually goes with line of sight. Just gonna take it over here and put it on the other side of the yard. Just gonna set it right here. That works. So again, like I said earlier, it's powered by the sun, so it has an internal battery and it's constantly charging as long as there's sunlight. I'm gonna go back in here, turn on the screen, and it should automatically connect. There you go. So you can see clear as day. I got the screen protector on it still, but you can see pretty clear, no breakups, and that's plenty of distance if you were to put this on a car, trailer, whatever the case is. So this makes it a lot easier versus the traditional backup cameras where you have to wire it all in. This should take literally only a couple of minutes to do. So yeah, I highly recommend this.